welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I'll show you how to fix bad FPS in Valorant and improve your game performance on PC. First, open Valorant and go to the Settings menu. Then, open the Video tab. Under Resolution, make sure you are using your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. If your FPS is still low, lower the resolution to 1280 by 720. This can give you a big FPS boost on weaker systems. Next, stay in the Graphics Quality section. Set Material Quality to Low, Texture Quality to Low, Detail Quality to Low, and UI Quality to Low. Also, disable options like Bloom, Distortion, and Cast Shadows. These settings reduce the load on your GPU and help the game run smoother. After that, turn VSync off. This reduces input lag and can improve responsiveness during matches. You should also close unnecessary background apps like browsers or recording software before launching the game. Finally, restart your PC and launch Valorant again to test the FPS improvement. Thanks for watching.